subscribe if you want to more weekly update on cooking video. Today I will show you guys how to make devil egg recipe from Nepali CBTM. Before we get right on the video, I'm going to explain about this dish. This dish came from Italy. It is very simple to make, also very delicious and very colorful, perfect for the party. All ingredients for the devil's egg: hard-boiled egg, bacon, cheddar cheese, lemon zest, Hiscalian onion, red wine vinegar, yellow mustard, salt and pepper, paprika powder, garlic powder. Guys, I'm going to cook bacon. So first you need to heat 375 Fahrenheit and add the bacon. After the bacon look golden brown, so flip other side until the cook. So I flipping on the side. When it's ready, I'm going to take out. Look at that. So after that, I'm going to peel the hard-boiled egg, 6 pieces. Okay guys, you need to boil 14-minute egg. This egg I already boiled. Now I'm going to peel. After we put the eggs in the bowl, mash with fork. Look at that. Done. I'm going to put ingredients: red wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon, garlic powder, half teaspoon, mustard, yellow mustard, half teaspoon, salt to taste, black pepper to taste, then mayonnaise, lemon zest, woo. So mix well. Mayonnaise and lemon zest. Look at that. Its look is very delicious. Water is coming from my mouth. Woo! Done. So now mix is ready. So I'm going to put inside the egg. You load it like that. one by one. So I'm going to cut garnish for scallion onion, fine dice, because let's be careful. Knife used lightly, otherwise we're gonna break the hole. So that's why I'm cutting slowly. I'm going to cut diced bacon. Not too bigger, not too small. One more. So delicious. I feel hungry now. Guys, I feel hungry now. I feel hungry. Look at that. Okay guys, I'm putting the bacon slowly on the top. Not put too much, you put just a little bit for to taste. And I'm going to put scallion onion. Look at that color. It's a perfect color, colorful. And this is the cheddar cheese, little bit on the top. Little bit on the top. So I sprinkle the paprika powder. Woo! Look at that. Woo! Just little bit sprinkle on the top. It's done. Devil egg. Look at that, devil eggs look colorful and yummy. So I'm going to taste now. Woo! It's very delicious. Paprika powder, the taste is perfect. The smoke flavor, zesty flavor and spice flavor. Okay guys, thank you for watching till the end. I hope you guys like it this video. See you guys next video. Don't forget to subscribe Nepali CBTM channel. I will bring another next video. Have a good day.